Now, can anyone tell me who this incredible specimen behind me is? That's correct, it is indeed Blue. And isn't she a beauty? Now, Blue is the reinforcements. So we found that she responds best to food, which is why we prepare some of her favorite treats upon completion of this training exercise. Now, usually we work with Blue one-on-one, but today we brought her out so that we can monitor her when introduced to a new environment. Now, this new environment in this case would be all of you guys, a public crowd. So for this training exercise, we will need volunteers who are brave enough to stand before Blue and interact with her. And if you are lucky, you might even get to snap a photo of her. Just make sure it's you doing the snapping and not Blue, okay? You don't want to know what that feels like, believe me. One time, this guy who works here, also a raptor trainer.
Stay on track. You need people to volunteer, not run away. Stop reacting.
Oh, right. So if you'd like to volunteer by taking a photo with Blue,